Right, what I'm going to do here is polish door handles like this and the door handle itself on an old VN. If it's VN or VP, you're going to have to get VR, VS handles, because these are plastic on VNs and VPs. So we'll go and get started. Right, once you've got it out the door, obviously, you can have a metal clip on the back. Should be just let in there, pull that out. Pull your handle apart from the door. Everyone's got their own way. You might want to sand in there, I don't know. Just going to pull the lock out, sand around there. Make sure that this is not plastic, otherwise you'll fuck it. And you can unclip them easy. Push down. And that'll unclip and get that spring off. When I pre-prepared earlier, sand that now, it's good wet and dry. Sit there for a couple of hours, get to a nice shiny finish. And then it'll look like that. But do take the lock out. Saves fucking doing that one too. Here's the VS one. Started on already. PS, if you're going to use a wire wheel, go for a softer one than this. This will kill your fucking alloy. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to use a sanding wheel. And don't sit in one spot.
What?